Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will discuss the secret to achieving your goals, focusing on yourself. We all have goals that we want to achieve, but sometimes it can take effort to stay focused and motivated. That's why it's important to remember that the key to success is to focus on yourself. When you focus on yourself, you can identify your strengths and weaknesses and work on improving them. You can also set realistic goals that align with your values and priorities. How can you focus on yourself and achieve your goals? Here are a few tips. First, practice self-care. Take care of your physical, emotional, and mental health. This will help you stay energized and motivated to work towards your goals. Second, set boundaries. Learn to say no to things that don't align with your goals or values. This will help you stay focused on what's important. Third, set SMART goals. Ensure your goals are specific. Finally, celebrate your successes. Take time to acknowledge and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. This will help you stay motivated and inspired to work towards your goals. So, there you have it. The secret to achieving your goals is to focus on yourself. Remember to practice self-care, set boundaries, set SMART goals, and celebrate your successes. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on achieving your goals. See you next.